Hi there, this is Penny Manus Diefendorf with your Daily Grain. This is something that occurred to me today. How there are some people who are chess players or puppet masters, and they are another source of great conflict and chaos, which is entirely unnecessary in the world. So let me explain the characteristics of such people. They, by strategies that are inexplicable to me, create friction and dissension in the ranks. And they do it so subtly that people find themselves at odds with each other or fighting with each other, and they have no idea that this person, who doesn't even figure in the friction, actually did it. So it occurred to me that they are like chess players or puppet masters because they move people around, they manipulate situations and relationships and personalities to ends that only they know, but the end result is conflict, broken relationships, possibly broken situations. I've seen people lose jobs over these people's machinations, and I've seen relationships, countless relationships, broken or destroyed, like I said, or made frictionful because of what they do. So for today's Daily Grain, I want you to try to become aware of this in your environment. Is there someone who is like pure as driven snow, or they look like butter wouldn't melt in their mouth, but what they are saying and what they are doing causes great negative consequences? So look to the consequences of what these people do, and then look at who is responsible and who started it. And once you do that, and once you identify the puppet master or the chess player in your environment, be very, very wary of them, if in fact you can't avoid them.